Guess what we found with our metal detector? Another metal detector!
Hey everyone, I've tried shooting this video several different ways and I don't like any of them. So this one I'm just shooting from the hip and you're gonna have to deal with the way it is. So basically this is a gate sensor, lap timer that I created for micro drone racing, and it works off of using 3 ultrasonic sensors and using an ESP32 microcontroller. Uh, so basically this is the timing system and counter. It sends off a Bluetooth signal to my Android tablet or phone. There's a app I created that will talk to it. The app that I created will log the lap times, shows a few statistics, and most importantly, it'll read off the lap times. Let's turn up the volume here.
Lap 8 time is 10.002 seconds.
Right now I've got it set on a 10-second delay. It helps out with
Lap 9 time is 12.495 seconds.
False triggering. If you're going through the gate slowly,
Lap
or
10 time is 10.081 seconds.
I don't know. There's lots of different reasons to have a delay. Right now it's set at 10 seconds. We can go all the way down to like a second.
Lap 11 time is 12.646 seconds. Lap 12 time is 10. Lap 13 time is 2. Lap 14 time is 2.0. Lap 15 time is 2. Lap 16 time is
there. There. Just a couple of basic starts it, stops it. Can do a reset. Resets all the times. So here I've got it standing in a basic 2x2 configuration. It will it doesn't have to be in this configuration. It could be smaller. It's always got to be pointing towards a solid object, like the floor. I wouldn't put it on its side because it does need an end point for the sound waves to kick back up, if you don't know how ultrasonic sensors work. But it can be of different heights, and just by doing a reset, or when it starts up, it calibrates to whatever the height is. So the basic reason why I'm showing this is I'm not sure what to do from here out. I'd like to share this idea with the community, possibly sell it, possibly give it away. I don't know how many other people would be interested in this. I'm just one guy, so if there's a huge amount of interest, it's not like I can build 100 of them. But Tell me what you think. Are you interested in something like this? Would this work for you? Would it be fun? Tell me what you think. Um, my response will be on the overall response of the community for something like this. Tell me what you think. Thanks. See you.